Wednesday, June 12th, 2024. Focus. I have not come to abolish them, but to fulfill them. The first reading recounts the showdown between the people of God, represented by the prophet Elijah, who wanted to follow God's law, and the followers of Baal, who had rejected God. At Elijah's victory, the people recognized who the true God was and worshipped him. For the Jews of Jesus' time, the law went far beyond the 10 Commandments into myriad minor laws enforced by the Pharisees. Sometimes, just observing them detracted from their original purpose. The Sabbath observance forbade even assisting a neighbor or a friend. It failed to recognize that helping the needy is an act of love. When Jesus taught his radical principles, the people were confused and thought he was instituting a new law. That is why he clarified that he had come not to abolish, but to fulfill the law, to observe it in spirit, and to do even more than it required in a spirit of love. When I heard that my nephew had fallen ill, it was on our village feast day. I had a good excuse not to visit him in hospital, but the law of love made me think differently. As soon as the feast mass ended, I hurried to the hospital, spent time with him, bought medicines and food, and comforted his worried parents. Fruit. Can I go beyond what duty requires and do some act of service in a spirit of love?